Today I'm sharing a piece of my day with a bright, crisp salad that brings so much vitality to the table. My Broccoli Quinoa Salad. I tend to love broccoli because it's packed with antioxidants that act like a natural shield for our cells, keeping us feeling vibrant from the inside out. Come with me. Let's start by cutting the broccoli into small, bite-sized florets. Place them in a large bowl filled with water and a tablespoon of vinegar. Let it sit for about 5 minutes. This gentle soak naturally loosens any hidden dirt or impurities. Then, rinse thoroughly under cold water and let it drain completely. Bring a pot of water to a rolling boil and add a pinch of salt. Add the broccoli florets and blanch them for just 2 minutes. Keeping the blanching quick ensures they stay wonderfully crisp with a gorgeous, bright green color. Rinse in cold water to stop the cooking, then drain well. In a large mixing bowl, combine your blanched broccoli, cooked quinoa, toasted sesame seeds, SSamjang, and sesame oil. Toss everything together until all the ingredients are beautifully coated. I love how the nutty quinoa pairs with the crisp broccoli and rich glaze. Transfer to a lovely serving bowl and top with an extra sprinkle of sesame seeds. Samjang might feel like a unique ingredient if you're new to it, but this fermented soybean paste is so delicious and incredibly gut-friendly. If you love discovering new flavor pairings that nourish your body, I highly recommend giving this a try. Eat well, feel light.